Okay, welcome back student. In this session we are learning carbon compounds, say part 2. Next we have to see the what is so special about carbon. See, we are learning in this lesson totally carbon and its compound. What is the special of carbon? See, what is so special? What is so special about carbon? About carbon. See, what is the special? See, we are learning about only carbon. See, carbon form a covalent bond. See, we have to see the first point. It is a carbon form a covalent bond. See, in between the series carbon is forming with covalent bond. So it is another element. See, carbon have a 4 electron in valency cell. Carbon has a 4 electron in valency cell. See, 4 electrons is there in their valency cell. Next, cell combination to form long chains. Self combination to form long chain. Next we have to see the different form of carbons. See, different form of carbons. Different forms of carbons like graphite, diamond, graphite and diamond. We have to see carbon has a covalent bond. See, carbon is a binding with another element. So it is a covalent. Covalent means there is no gaining, there is no losing, but here is just sharing their electrons. For example, we have to see the carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6. See, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Carbon required the 4 electrons. So it will be get the satisfied. It will be get the electronic configuration of 0 group element. So it is a required the 4. See what said? Outermost electronic configuration should be octet. Octet. See, should be octet. What will happen? Here is only 4 is there. Again required the 4. For example, we have to take the example carbon dioxide. Carbon and oxygen. We have to write the oxygen also. Oxygen atomic number is 8 and 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. See, oxygen also required the 2 more electron. Now we have to see the carbon. See, carbon is there. See this like carbon. Okay. See, outermost it is a 2 is there. This like. Next we have to see the oxygen has a 6. See, oxygen has a 6. See, oxygen. Now we have to see here is a forming the covalent bond. Say 6. See here forming the covalent bond and here is a binding with carbon. See this like binding with carbon. See this like bond is a formation. It is a giving to the electron to, see, there is no giving and losing, just is a sharing the electrons, sharing their electron, both are sharing electron, feel stable, they form a covalent bond, they form a covalent bond in between the carbon and oxygen has a form the covalent bond. Covalent bond. So you already learned the ionic bond also. What is ionic bond? So it is a sharing the electrons. See, for example, we have to see here. See here. What is? We have to take the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Sodium and chlorine both are unstable. Both are unstable. Sodium is required the one electron. So sodium has to lose the one electron, and chlorine has to gain a one electron. They will get the finally it is a stable electronic configuration. For example, we have to see the sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Next chlorine 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. See, we have to see the here 10 plus 7, 70. See, what said outermost electronic configuration should be octet. See here, one more electron is given to the chlorine, and the chlorine is getting the 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So it is a minus. This is a minus electron, and we have to see the Na plus and Cl minus. See this like electron is giving to the this, it is a forming the which bond? So it is a ionic bonds is a forming. See both are ions is there, plus charge, minus charge. These both are ions is there. There is a forming the which bond? There is a forming in ionic bonds. See here is a ions is a sharing. Ions is a sharing. See, that's why we are calling the ionic bonds. Ionic bonds. Okay. This bond is a ionic bond. See, this is a ionic bond. We are getting the finally NaCl. See, this is a compound. This is a compound. Okay, is it clear? Ionic bond and covalent bond. Next, it is a more electronegativity. Oxygen has a more electronegativity compared to the, see, oxygen has a more electronegativity in the covalent bond, and it is a slight and polarity. See, slight polarity as well as covalent bond. See, here is a slight polarity is there in oxygen as well as a covalent bond, but they no need to lose their electron, but just they are sharing. That's why we are calling the carbon has a covalent bond. And what said? Their valency is a 4 is there. We have to see, already said the valence is a 4. Self combination to form a long chains. Long chains. Number of chains is a forming this like. See this like number of chains is a forming. See this like. See this like butane. Their name is a butane, pentane. See, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Number of chains is a long chains is a forming. Next we have to see the different form of carbons. Carbons has a graphite, diamond also is there. So it is a Buckminster fullerene. See, number of formation is a forming in the carbon. So it is a carbon is a playing the a very special role. See, yesterday learn about the carbon. See, first part per. See, today also it is a learn about the only carbon. Okay. See, the slight polarity and as well as a covalent bond is a present in that oxygen. Okay.